Hi, and welcome to Lesson 2 of our Virtual Code Club classes. This week, we'll be learning how to create stories in the program Scratch, including how to have a conversation between two characters and change the backdrops. Once you're logged into your account, you'll go to the blue bar at the top and hit Create. This column on the left is our block palette, where our pre-written code block rests. This is the script area, where we will drag our blocks of code. Over here is the stage where we will see our code come to life. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the cat sprite or character, and I will choose a person as my sprite. I'll go under the people category and select Avery. Next, I'll pick a backdrop by clicking on this icon. Then I'll select the outdoors category and select one with a hill. To add our second character, go back to the sprite icon and select the one that you want. Go under the people category and choose Danny. To adjust Danny's size, you can select his sprite on the bottom and adjust the size percentage according to what you like. We can try reducing it from 100 to 70%. In order for our characters to have a conversation, we need them facing the right direction. Click on Avery's sprite icon and click on the Costume tab. Here, you will need to flip Avery horizontally. Now that looks a lot better. Let's get back to the Code tab up here. We'll start to code our conversation between our two sprites. With Avery selected, so she can speak first, go to the Events button and select when the green flag is clicked. Left-click it and drag it to the script area. After that, we will click the purple Looks button and select the block that says Say Something for 2 seconds. And fill out what you want her to say. I'll have her say, "Have you seen my dog?" And then we'll drag another block over and have her say, "I can't find her." We're going to the Events button now, and you can find a block that says Broadcast a Message. And we want this block to broadcast our message number 1. You'll see why that's important in a minute. When we hit the green flag Broadcast Message 1, it doesn't change what happens to Avery, but let's look at what happens when Danny responds. We want Danny to answer her, so we will go to the Events button, and Danny is going to go to When I Receive Message 1, which was I can't find her. Go to the Looks button and choose the first block and make him say, "I think I saw a dog over there." Just fill in the blank. Let's test our story by clicking the green flag on the top right, and notice what happens. It starts playing our dialogue. We have successfully coded a conversation between two characters. To change the scene after the first conversation, go to the Backdrops icon and choose a new backdrop. I'll select a water backdrop. If you click on the Backdrop tab, you'll see how our story evolves from the first backdrop to the second. After Danny's last comment, go under Looks block and select Switch Backdrop to Water and Rocks after 3 seconds or 2 seconds after he says that. Then we will choose another Say Hello block and change it to It Was Behind That Tree. Now let's test it. Try to create your own story with your own backdrops at home and build your own characters and conversations.